Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we are doing today? We are bleaching this hair. We are coloring this hair. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, okay? I'm excited. Let me go and do this intro of like showing y'all what I got, because then we're gonna hop into the video. We're coloring our hair today, y'all. It's been a while. It's been a while since I did a hair video. I just haven't had time to do one. I'm also back in school, so I'm trying to get this back together, y'all. Also, look forward to decor stuff, because I'm redoing this room. We need to decorate stuff. Bed is going. This dresser going. A lot of stuff is going because we've been in school, y'all. So like every time, this is the thing. When we come home, we got somewhere to stay. But I'm here this semester, and like until I save some money and try to get in my career and like apply for internships. I'm trying to focus on getting into my career. So I want to be comfortable, and since I'm gonna be doing videos and also it's just, I want the room cute, okay? This ain't cute. This is just like what we had while we was coming back. Also, look forward, because I have packages coming for you guys. So I ordered some stuff from Pretty Little Thing, y'all. I'm gonna do a Shein haul. Don't even want to hear from y'all people who got a problem, because look, let's be real. A lot of stuff come from China. That's all I'm gonna say. But I do have some stuff for Shein, okay? I do have some makeup I'm ordering soon too, because I need to try some new stuff. It's time for me to get back into this, okay? But I'm really excited for Pretty Little Thing. I ordered a couple little things that I saw that was cute. And I got to get some more stuff as well. So let me show y'all what I got from the hair store, and I'm gonna show y'all the color I'm doing my hair. So bag of stuff, okay? So I got bleach. This is the bleach I use, y'all. I get the bucket because it's like my hair don't take that much bleach. And look at the color. I really could put the bleach over this, but I'm trying to get the roots, and I'm actually happy that it's not grown in all the way, so I will only have to bleach this. And it depends on how bright I want the color. So I don't know. I might do this only 2 times. I think I'm only gonna bleach it 2 times. But that's the bleach I get because it'll last me a long time. My developer, I got a 20, y'all, okay? So I got 30. No, I think I didn't have a 30 last time. I got a 30 developer and I got a 20 developer. That's still stuff I use. I'm gonna do 120 and 130. I also had to get some more shampoo. This is the one I use, the Shimmer and Lights. It's a really good, the best one, to be honest. This is the one I use. I also got I had to get some more, what's it called? Some more mousse. This is the mousse I use. I use Cantu. I like Cantu. A lot of people say it dry their hair out. My sister didn't like the, I never tried the, I only get the mousse. I'm not a fan of like the cream. I used to use the cream when my hair was twisted, like when I had twist in it, okay? So that's what I use, the Cantu mousse. Also had to get me some hair oil, because y'all keep your hair oily, okay? I just got some argan oil, okay? My hair been super dry lately, and I need to get this back to where it needs to be. I also got lashes, because I always get lashes when I'm there, so I'm gonna try to use this time, y'all. We're gonna see if they work, because I swear can never get the lashes I need. But I also be trying bigger lashes. My sister's been getting me into them. I had to get me another NYX liner. Y'all know they have makeup there, and I did a liner here because it's more expensive at Ulta, and it's the same one, so I'll get it at the hair store. And last thing is the color. So y'all, I was going for like a silverish blue, and I couldn't find one. I think it was all out. I was like, I could easily get another one, but then I saw pictures, and I was like, ooh, but I don't think I would like that. I think I would. I'm gonna try it later. But I looked at this color, looked at the pictures, and I was in love. And I was like, I hope it's. I feel like it's gonna be super bright, and I really hope it's not. So we're gonna try it again. I'm doing Adore Lavender hair. We're going lavender purple, y'all, with this hair today. Oh my god. I hope it's perfect. I really hope it's how I like it. I thought now, after doing that pink, because I still got the pink somewhere over here, when I did the pink con candy, that stuff was bright as I don't know what, but it was still cute. But we're gonna go with some purple hair today, okay? So now we're gonna take all this off, and we're gonna get into this hair. Y'all gonna already see it cut, because I think I gotta recut it, okay? I might not have to, but I'm gonna just start bleaching. Let's just jump right into it, y'all. And I'm excited to be recording mainly again, because I need to get back into my makeup and hair and fashion and stuff, okay? So let's get into it. I also want to say, guys, okay, I have been uploading less because I'm in the process of building a PC, so I need faster speed. My sister do this for a living with this freaking internet, and she don't play. She know how she want her PCs, so she's helping me build my PC, and I got the case, and I'm about to buy one, and I'm like, she's doing it all for me, and I'm setting up a whole desk area. I'm getting a desk from IKEA. I'm making stuff. I really want aesthetic, okay, and I want cute and colorful in this room. I need color, which I cannot wait till I show y'all the mirror I got, and I hope it turns out how I want it. And I'm gonna tell y'all the stuff I got I got a lot of stuff to unbox. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all, okay? Whoa. So I'm gonna have my desk over here probably on this side because the camera will be this way. Y'all, it's gonna be pretty. That's all I'm gonna say. Just look forward to that. But that's the reason why I can't upload so much because y'all, the laptop I got sucks and the internet sucks. It's only on the computer because no other internet in my room has a problem or in this house. It's just those computers. The speed is so slow. So I'm in the process of building the PC and then I can upload regularly how I do because I like to upload a lot. I like to record a lot. I like to edit and I need the speed to edit. So my laptop is not doing it. So I'm in the process of fixing all of this and it's going to take a while. So I hope to have this. It's going to take a while, but I hope to have this done in a couple of weeks. Okay. Now let's get into this hair. Okay, y'all. So it's time to do the process. So always make sure you got an old shirt and an old towel and grease your hair, grease your edges. Okay. I don't have to cut nothing. My hair is short enough. I think because I also I like waves in my hair, y'all, especially when I got color in it. So I think this is a good length for me. But always make sure you grease your hair. So I'm only having to bleach this most likely twice just to get the roots from being blonde. And I'm actually happy. This is a good thing with color, y'all. I'm okay with the roots growing out because it'll look better too. So let's just start this because I already got my concoction. This is the 30 developer, y'all. And I didn't make it too thin this time. It's really thick, but that's good for me. Oh, y'all, your girl looks so tired. I'm talking about I had this waterproof eyeliner I could not get rid of. I was like, I had been dealing with a cold, y'all. So I've been having so much going on. And the fact that this internet be going so slow and it takes me like 4 hours to upload and edit really makes me mad because that should not happen. And then sometimes it just wouldn't upload, y'all. So yeah, I'm in the process of getting all of this fixed. I already started buying stuff to fix all of this, y'all. But love that I'm finally doing purple. I'm excited for this. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let this sit on for like 40 minutes. I'm actually happy. Like, this is gonna be really quick since I bleached my hair, I believe, last week. And it's not gonna take this long. All my hair's still blonde. Yeah, it was last week. So I'm just gonna let this sit on for like between 30 and 40 minutes to see how that looks. And I'm just getting the roots so and then I'll do it one more time. We'll see. So I'll wash this out and come back. Okay, y'all, so I just washed this out. The good thing is that it's drying. I might not have to do the 30. I got more of the 30. I got more of the 30 in here, but I might not have to put in a 20 on it. I really didn't want it to be super bright, but my hair was already blonde, so I think I'm gonna just do this last round and I'm gonna leave it. I don't think I want. I think I'm okay when I do it the next time. Okay, I'm gonna just leave this in for like 20 minutes, not 30. So yeah, I'm only do this one more time because I need to make sure I get these roots though. Then I gotta do the brows again, y'all. I gotta make sure my brows done. So y'all, I actually did not use the 20 developer. I only used the 30 developer because I wasn't trying to get it too bright. If I could go back in time, I would actually do it. I would actually do some of the 20 to lighten it because my roots kind of stayed darker, like blonde, but it was still fine. I still like the color. But y'all, I'm just happy. I'm excited. I was actually not talking about nothing in this clip. I was talking about me watching Baby Boy, y'all. I don't be doing nothing. I ain't seen that movie in a while. Throwbacks. Okay, y'all, so just got through washing it out. I think I'm good because I don't want it to get no brighter. It's already hella bright. So my roots are like probably light brown, so I'm okay with that. Now, I'm gonna start. Also, I forgot my brows, y'all, so I'm gonna do that after I do the color, okay? And I'm gonna just wash them out. And I got one more glove for the color. Who is ready to see this? Because I'm excited. This is the color. We got lavender. I'm so scared. Let me see what it look like first. I'm like, oh, that's purple, y'all. Okay, you know what? We've been taking all these risks. Let's just go for it. Okay, y'all, we about to just do this. This looks so dark, but I know you gotta, let's see. Ooh. Oh, that's purple, y'all. Look at this. Thank God for gloves. Oh, this one would be so cute. I already know. And I'm also gonna make sure I gotta bleach my brows, y'all, after I'm done. I'm bleaching them back black. Not black, but I'm bleaching them. I'm bleaching them back blonde. I don't want this to stay like dark, so I'm trying to get this everywhere. Okay, let's get these edges. I really got to put this color everywhere on my head. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. This already finna, I already know this finna take a while. But you know what? The color is staying on my gloves, which is actually really good. It's a cute purple though. Y'all did not ever think I would have like purple hair. Oh my god. Make sure y'all get y'all edges and stuff. Okay, y'all. So this is it right now. It's so cute. This reminds me, it made me think like when my hair was like black. This is crazy. I like it though. So I was just getting up in here on my edges, y'all. I'm gonna actually blow dry this for like 10 minutes on medium, low heat. Because I really want the color to be vibrant. This is, well, not vibrant, but like I want it to be mellowed out, but I do want the color to stick. So I will show you guys what it looked like after I wash this out. And I'm going to keep this on. I think it said, with the blow dryer, it said 15 minutes. But like, I did it without it last time. I kept it on 50 minutes. So I'm going to actually do like 40 to 50 because I want to make sure the stick is like as much as possible. Okay. So y'all will see everything at the end of this video. This is crazy. I love it. And I'm also going to have my eyebrows bleached by the end. I'm going to bleach them again. And this is the look, guys. Okay, I did not actually think it's going to be this dark. But it's actually really like it. I'm going to do a full 360. I put some mousse on y'all because I wanted to see what it looked like with some product in my hair. My hair is waving up. That's what we like. So, my roots were more brown than blonde. And I kind of like it because... Let me try to zoom in for you. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Closer up, you can see it's like lighter hairs. That's what I was going for, but at the same time, I did have some. It looked blue right there. That's funny. My roots were darker, and my hair was really, really blonde. I think I can work with this for a while, y'all. Y'all know I'd be like indecisive, so I don't know what color I'm gonna try next. I kind of want to go blue, but let me calm it down. This is cute though. I have to put some kind of makeup on y'all so you look so tired, but I like how this look. Oh. I gotta go to my best friend birthday anyway, so that was this weekend. So I need a new look. How cute! This is cute. So it's definitely more purple. It's more purple on camera. It's more darker on camera. It's lighter off camera, y'all. I love how this looks though. Did not take that long. I let this sit on. Actually, I did the blow dry without a bag. I just blow dried it on high heat, like on medium heat, for like. Actually, I did that for like 3 minutes, and then I let it sit on my head for 40 minutes, okay? And I did not use purple shampoo. I used regular shampoo and conditioner, and then I like washed it out, put my conditioner in, and there we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is so cute. So I'm gonna let y'all go. This is so cute. Once again, let me do a full 360 one more time. Simple process this time because I didn't have to bleach my hair that much. I only bleached it 2 times, which was really good, and it was like just to brighten up my roots. So yeah. I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.